Hey guys, welcome back. I am going to come on to do a process video to play along with Scrap Squad scrap lifts. And I'm using this Color Rush Studio kit called Good Times. Now, I've already used this piece clearly. And my first layout I did with this kit, I used some of this. So obviously I am vibing this feel. So I cut into this because I wanted some of the fussy cut pieces. Let me show you my scrap lift. So this was the second scrap lift of the year. They did it super Christmassy, which I appreciate. But big old background, right? I'm gonna use this. And this one is called, let me get it. Admit One. Perfect. Now we can chuck that. Then the strip coming down, I'm gonna use this because it's a piece I already cut into. I really like to use my scraps if I can. Ooh, wait, if I turn it like this, then I can have the photo kind of up more like what they showed here. Now they have two photos, I have one, it'll all work out. Looks like I need a round bit. I will go ahead and find something to cut out. Oh, so they have, okay, I didn't even notice this before. They have two big pieces of pattern paper here. You know, big blocks that they sewed and a piece here that was sewn. So I can go ahead, I can sew the two sides here. I will punch out a circly bit. I have a 3.5 inch punch, so that's great. I will let's pick out two patterns. First, I wanna see, ooh, I have enough of this one that I can cut out. Okay. Let's see how this goes. So it's kind of straight here. I'd rather use stuff I've started and then I'll go from there. So I have this piece. Let's make that nice and clean. I mean, I'm totally fine if it's not exactly like this scrap lift. We are being inspired. That does not mean we are absolutely doing copying. All right, so it's better, according to the scrap lift, if one of them goes this way. Great. Ooh, and this one might just be big enough to go the other way. So I can repeat that pattern at least. Okay. And like I said, this is just the opposite side from, you know, like the cut apart sheets, because I like to make sure that I cut all kinds of stuff out that I like first. So now let's see, I could go this way. So if I did that, this one would be bigger, that would be bigger. I'll sew this, plop this on. This can go here, but you guys know how they have the scallop paper bits here, the red? What I thought I would do is just grab some of this pom-pom trim and I'm going to stick it on like adjacent to the red paper after I do my sewing so that it'll be all cute and whimsical. So I'm gonna do that. Title will go over here-ish. I think it's fun. I think it's fun so far. So it's coming together. We've got the brightness. You guys, I have got some really nice big honkin' piece. Ooh, you guys, you know what? That could be that big circular element, and I think it should be. I think that would be really cute. But I'm not gonna sew it. I'm gonna sew this red and white stripe and these pieces. Yes, please. Down here it looks a little bit odd for me. So I think I'm gonna use 3 pieces of these. These I had just fussy cut out. And guys, I'm gonna just layer them up and make it so cute, so that this is like a big old block. But what I need to do is get my sewing in, and then we're gonna pick out some pieces. I mean, I can have it be simple as Good Times at the fair, and I think that would be adorable. Right now, we'll leave that there. Or, let's go. Good Times, let's go. What's another one? Let me see, hold on. Oh, funnel cakes, very important. Let's go this way. Oh, that seems confusing. Woohoo. So we have a navy. I'm going to do that and then just write the fair. That's gonna do it. Okay, I've got to do some sewing off camera, get my ribbon on here with a little bit of red tape, and I'll meet you right back here. I have all of these things tacked down, and I wanted a little white space, and I've got this little partial, what you call it? Journaling spot that I fussy cut out. So I thought I'd put that there. I don't know what else is going on here though. Something that hides part of that. I have the 3 tickets here. I could do the 45 cents because, you know, we have it. So that kind of hides that. Things are on the wall because it's a carnival, which I like. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Look at this little balloon animal. I think that's going to do it. So I'm going to pop my little balloon animal on because he's the cutest. And then a few enamel dots. And this rather simple layout is going to be done. Like the big punch comes in the detail with the frazzles, which are hilarious. You know, my little like pom-pom trim stitch. Stop it. That is exactly what I was wanting. So let me see in my little stash over here of enamel dots, what is going to make my heart sing? I used these on my last layout. Let me see if there's something. Ooh, the stars are nice. They're kind of little though. Let's see. Almost too pretty. Like I was, ooh, look at these, and I'd love to use these up. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop on some of these Gigantor enamel dots from my stash. I think it's kind of fine that they're giant because my, all of these elements that I'm using on here are huge anyway. So it's pretty fitting that these things are like big honkin' something somethings. I'm good with having just the 2 because I basically have one giant cluster. And you guys, that is going to complete this layout. I know it's super simple. I mean, you didn't see me painstakingly like begging and pleading with my red tape to put my ribbons and or frazzles on, little pom-poms. Stitching, of course, was done off camera. I had already pre-fussy cut some of these pieces out, and that brings it together so fun. Let me see. Oh, here it is. I still have my scrap lift up. So here's the original, which looks much more subdued and gorgeous. And here's kind of my explosion of super fun color from the Good Times kit. So guys, remember that I put my link down below for Color Rush Studio. I do that. It's an affiliate link. If you want to use it, great. Let them know I sent you. If you do not, just go to colorrushstudio.com and do it the old-fashioned way. But super fun, really kind of simple. Remember, this is the Good Times kit. And if you get the bold kit, which is like the add-on, it has all of this super cute school stuff. Right now, I'm trying to concentrate on using the main kit because I have all these kind of fair and festival kind of photos printed out. So super fun. They were at the National Cherry Festival. So cute. Okay, guys, I'm going to see you ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.